tell us the solutions that they bring on board. If it's the rule of law, what proposals do they have for the police and the courts? The performance of the security forces? If the challenges rotate around governance, how are civil servants going to be handled? How are they going to be inspired, motivated? How will wastage of resources be dealt with? How will corruption be stopped? If the challenges are about health and education, what are the answers? If it's about economic deprivation, especially for the young people and the farmers, people in the villages, how are the aspiring leaders going to create jobs and boost agriculture? How are the aspiring leaders going to ensure availability of water, electricity, and telephony throughout the country? How do you plan to deal with the Buganda question? How are you going to handle Buganda's 5 aspiration objectives? So my friends, I think such are the kind of questions for which aspiring youthful leaders must provide answers. The Kingdom of Buganda urges all political actors, the seasoned ones and the new entrants, to respect each other. Let's listen to one another. We should not talk down to each other, but we should listen to one another. Let all political players be accorded the same opportunities to communicate their messages to the voters through the media channels. Abusive language, physical fights, killings, and general violence must be abandoned completely. We can only reap only so much from planet Earth. So we should desist from destructive practices that only make life harder for all citizens. When I hosted the NRM delegation, I told them that as the ruling party, they have a duty to ensure peaceful, free and fair elections. If the electoral process is peaceful, free and fair, the voters will accept the election results. We do not wish to endorse political candidates because it's unwise to endorse a given candidate against the others. However, we advise the voters to look out for the candidates who are ready and willing to stand up and defend Buganda's 5 aspiration objectives. Every aspiring candidate ought to tell the voters how he intends to go about the Buganda question. Ndoza kasamale kamala kumulabye mutya. Kasukali keko batwogeremu. Sokoleke mujja kulwana ne sokoleke. Nziramu okwebaza Honorable Kyagulanyi olw'okujja okukyala Embugga. Nebaza abakulembeze bazze nabo mu kibiina n'abaka ba Parliament. Nammwe abalala bonna abavubuka mubeere bakkakkamu. Waliwo enjawulo nnene wakati w'okubeera omuzira n'okubeera omujulizi. Mukategedde ako? Omuzira aba mugezigezi n'alama n'anyumya ebyaliwo. Omujulizi oluusi kimutwalira akategedde akubire Mukama mu ngalo. Ssaabasajja Kabaka awa